It was December 2018 when Hannah and Sophie met on Tinder, but it was an unlikely match. Not because they aren't perfect for each other, they are, but because of distance. With Sophie living in Sheffield and Hannah in Nottingham, neither of them had set their profiles to match with anyone that far away. It was a brilliant and happy accident in London, of all places. Sophie was there as part of her degree for her job, and Hannah was also there for work. However, Sophie did swipe on Hannah a few months before Hannah swiped on her, which is a bone of contention even to this day. Good afternoon, everyone, and a very warm welcome to Whirlow Hall Farm, and most importantly, to the wedding ceremony of Hannah and Sophie.
Hannah, today I choose you, but not just today. I've been choosing you ever since the day we met. When you first learn about love as a child, you're taught it's about huge grand gestures, butterflies, and a ring the size of your fist. But that isn't real life. A real love is a person you can curl up with on the sofa after a horrid day. It's the person that catches the spiders for you, even though they're also scared themselves. And it's the person that can, without fail, hold you in a way that makes you feel like everything is going to be okay. That's you, my honey. That's love. I am so proud to call you my wife. I promise to never take you for granted and to keep loving you outwardly, proudly, and with all of my heart for the rest of my life.
You're my best friend, you're my soulmate. I love you and I always will. I'm so proud to call you my wife, and I promise to spend the rest of our lives letting you know that. I ended up in hospital for a spot of emergency surgery less than 2 weeks ago. So you only further proved what I already know about you. You're the kindest, most selfless, caring and loving person I know. She dutifully drove Mum and I from hospital to hospital, sat by my bedside for hours, even when I was too high on pain meds to stay awake, and even bought a flask of proper Yorkshire tea and 2 real mugs from home to perk me up. So thank you. Not just for looking after me the past couple of weeks, but just for being you.
Grateful to the women who came before us, who lived bravely, and helped to begin to create a world where we can stand here today, celebrating our love openly and surrounded by the people we care about the most. Which brings me to my hand, my wife. I can confidently stand here today and say that I have absolutely nailed the most important decision of my life. I cannot wait to spend an eternity with you. I love you so much.
Hannah and Sophie, today in front of your family and friends, you have committed your lives to each other. You have shared your vows and promises to each other, and each given and received a ring. Therefore, it is my absolute delight and honour to be the first to congratulate you and to say that you are now wife and wife. Please kiss away.
Let us give away our gorgeous husband. Come on, clap everybody, clap. Come on.